Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a new video. Today we will learn how can we make money online. Today I am here with a new video with a new method. There is a most interesting topic. Today we will learn how can we make money. If you are new in my channel, so subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to have all notification about my videos so you can watch easily. Today we will learn about the clickworker. If you are new in my channel, first of all subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. We will open the clickworker applications. The application. If first of creating your YouTube channel, first creating your clickworker ID, you will need to first register for clickworker. There is the first step. You will need to put your gender, title, first name, last name, username, email, password, and confirm the password. After signing this, you will see the next page. Before this doing, you will need to create your pioneer account on this same email. Otherwise, you will not be acceptable to withdraw. You can withdraw for 39 days. Then you need to create your Microsoft account, your Hotmail account. After this, we will see how it is visible. After creating this, we will log in this as a clickworker. We will log in this. After register, you will need to come on assessments. After coming on assessment, you need to give a English test, basic English language test. After qualifying this, you will see the jobs. You will come on the jobs. Here you will check out our first project. You can hear payment details. You can add your payments details here to your Pioneer account. You will hear Pioneer account. After 39 days, invoices will be here. Here you can see I withdraw first 6.92 euro and second one is 51.85 euro. I have withdraw this already. After this you will hear the payment details. We will have check out our project. We will open this one, check out. For this you need to open your, you will need to download the app, enable two-factor. After this you can download. You can see. Oh, yeah, my God. Its payable is 15.9559 payable. It's mine payable. Thanks for watching my videos.